In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bid strategy on Google Ads. Whether you're optimizing for more control over your advertising budget or adjusting based on shifting campaign goals, understanding how to modify your bid strategy is an essential part of managing successful campaigns. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads website. You can easily find this by typing Google Ads into your browser, or if you have it bookmarked, simply navigate there directly. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your account details. Ensure that you're logging in with the appropriate credentials for the account associated with the campaigns you wish to manage. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This serves as the central hub for all your ad campaigns, providing an overview of performance metrics and other important data. From this main dashboard, locate the Campaign tab. Clicking on this will take you to a detailed view of all your current and past campaigns. Now you'll need to select the specific campaign for which you want to change the bid strategy. This step is crucial as each campaign may have different goals and performance requirements. Take your time to choose the right one. It's helpful to already know the campaign's name or ID to quickly locate and access it. Once you have your campaign selected, the next step is to click on the Edit button. This is where the magic happens. The Edit button is the gateway to making your necessary modifications, so go ahead and click on it. Following this, you'll find an option labeled Change Bid Strategy. Selecting this will open a menu to adjust settings relevant to your campaign's bidding strategy. Here you have the flexibility to choose from various bidding options that best align with your campaign objectives. Whether you want to focus on clicks, conversions, or impression shares, each strategy has its own set of benefits. Carefully consider the goals of your campaign and choose the strategy that will help you achieve them most effectively. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically review your strategy to ensure optimal performance as market conditions or business objectives evolve. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through changing the bid strategy on Google Ads. With these adjustments, you're now set to have more control and potential over your advertising efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide simplified the process for you. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and strategies on optimizing your digital marketing campaigns.